In today's video, I'll show you on how you can activate Razer 7.1 surround sound. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your installed browser, and from here, you want to search on Google Razer surround sound 7.1. Let's head over to the number one result, which is going to be the official Razer website. This will take us to the application of Razer. So just click on the download now button. From there, it will then begin the download of the software. Simply open up the file right after downloading. And then basically you need to also get yourself a Razer account. It's going to be really easy to register for one. You can use your Google and something similar like that. So let's just wait for the installation to finish. Right after loading in, just click on the continue button. Now, if you click on continue, you will agree to the Razer software license agreement. Now, you can take your time reading the license agreement by clicking on this option. But in our case, to make things easier, let's just click on continue. The first thing that you want to do is to simply click on the install sound. It's going to be this option right here. Click on the install Razer Axion, and from there, it will then take us to all of this page until we have completed the process. Basically, install the necessary software to get it started. Once again, you need to log in your Razer account right after, and then you simply want to look for your product activation key for the Razer Surround Sound 7.1, which will simply look something like this. Just find the paper that comes with your product, look for the product key, and then you want to enter the license onto this page from the Razer application. From there, just click on the activate button and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything. Thanks for watching.